Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of awe and wonder at the vast expanse of space? Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the stars, beyond the reaches of our telescopes and probes? For centuries, humans have gazed up at the heavens, trying to unravel the mysteries of the universe. And while we have made incredible progress in our understanding of the cosmos, there is still much we do not know. One of the biggest questions that scientists and philosophers have grappled with for centuries is whether the universe is endless or finite. But what if I told you that the universe is not endless, that there is a wall at the edge? To get a better idea of why this might be the case, we need to investigate the past of cosmology, which is the study of the beginnings and development of the universe. For many centuries, the overwhelming majority of humans held the belief that Earth was at the center of the universe, and that everything else circled around us. It wasn't until the 16th century that Copernicus developed a model of the solar system called the heliocentric model, which placed the Sun at the center of the system and the planets rotating around it. This revolutionary concept called into question the commonly held assumptions of the period and cleared the path for new scientific discoveries and breakthroughs. In the centuries that followed, astronomers and physicists continued their efforts to decipher the mysteries of the universe by conducting research on the stars, galaxies, and other objects in space. They helped humanity grasp the physical aspects of the cosmos by developing new technologies and theories, such as the laws of motion, gravity, and electromagnetic forces. However, it wasn't until the 20th century that researchers started uncovering evidence suggesting that the universe might not be infinite. Albert Einstein published his theory of general relativity in 1915, and its publication ushered in a new era in our comprehension of gravity and space-time. His equations demonstrated that the universe cannot be thought of as being static, as was previously believed. Rather, it must either be expanding or contracting. On the other hand, there was no evidence to back up this notion at the time. The concept that the universe is expanding did not become widely accepted until 1929, when astronomer Edwin Hubble found that galaxies were moving away from each other. The Big Bang Theory, which postulates that the universe originated as a singularity or a point of infinite density and temperature, and has been expanding ever since, was developed as a direct result of the observation that the cosmos is expanding. But if the universe is expanding, what lies beyond the confines of its known space? Because of this question, a number of scientists have come to the conclusion that the cosmos must be finite, with a finite amount of matter and energy. If the universe has a beginning and an end, does that mean it also has an edge or a boundary? Now comes the part where everything gets interesting. Some hypotheses propose that there is a limit or edge to the universe, past which there is nothing more to discover. This dividing line is often referred to as the cosmic horizon, the edge of the universe, and the end of space. To be more specific, what does this mean? In order to get the answer to this question, we have to investigate the very makeup of the cosmos. There is only one dimension of time and 3 dimensions of space in the cosmos. These 4 dimensions of space and time combine to form the fabric of space-time. Einstein's theory of general relativity demonstrated that the presence of matter and energy can cause this fabric to become bent and warped in the universe. However, what takes place at the very edge of the universe, where there is neither matter nor energy? There is a school of thought amongst physicists that the horizon of the cosmos is analogous to a wall or border beyond which there is nothing. This border is not a wall that you can touch. Rather, it is a boundary in space-time itself. There is no space, no time, and no matter beyond this barrier. It is a void. It is emptiness. a nothingness that is beyond our ability to comprehend. The concept that there is a limit to the cosmos, on the other hand, is not universally acknowledged. There is a school of thought that the universe does not have any kind of limit, boundary, or edge. They contend that the cosmos can be curved in such a way that it can be infinite but still have no boundaries, similar to how the surface of a sphere can be bent. In this representation, if you move in a straight line in any direction, you would ultimately arrive back where you began, much like one would do if they were to walk around the surface of a globe in a circle. So, what is it going to be? Is there a boundary to the cosmos, making it either finite or infinite in scope? The honest fact is that we do not have 100% certain knowledge. Although the models and observations that we have right now suggest that the universe is either finite and has a boundary, or infinite and does not have a boundary, we do not yet have enough data to say for certain which of these two possibilities is correct. Nevertheless, research and experimentation are still being conducted with the purpose of providing an answer to this question. Researchers are scouring the farthest reaches of the universe with sophisticated telescopes and other sensors in the hunt for hints about the universe's dimensions and structure. They are also researching the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is the afterglow of the Big Bang, in order to gain a better understanding of the early history of the universe. In addition, there are ongoing studies aiming at detecting gravitational waves, which are ripples in space-time that are produced by the motion of enormous objects such as black holes and neutron stars. These ripples can be detected. These waves may be able to reveal information about the form and extent of the cosmos, as well as help us determine whether or not the universe is finite or infinite. In conclusion, although it is possible that we do not yet know for certain whether the universe is finite and has a boundary, or whether the universe is infinite and does not have a boundary, the evidence and theories we have built up until this point suggest that there may in fact be a wall at the edge of the universe. This concept not only complicates our perception of the cosmos and the role we play within it, but it also motivates us to keep investigating and unearthing more of its hidden mysteries. Who knows what exciting new discoveries and groundbreaking innovations are in store for us as we continue to stare into the vastness of space. Let us know your thoughts about space and its limitations in the comment section below. And remember to subscribe to our channel so you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos.